Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Esperance 0. I'm joined by friend Mapereka Mabanu Pumagupi.
Okay, Isaac, yeah, the national treasures supporters of Mamelodi Sundowns.
Okay, what did you think about today's game?
Hi, today's game, and it was difficult, man. But
Yes.
but I'm very proud of our boys.
Okay.
Like Allende, the little Napoleon. If you give him money, come corner, Samaka thing. 1, 2, 3, ukam. 1, 2, 3, ukam. He was just everywhere.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
You want about Tomo Taka and little talk about it. And like what's happening?
Yes.
Also, no Yamala, on almost spacing.
Exactly.
Yeah, Mara overall, we played very well, and then Runya go Yakwana go Tunisia and go and wrap it up.
Sure.
And then Rukono Bona or Kono Tagana Le Pirate and Yanabodi finally.
Yeah.
Ki Wishela or okay today, they can do well, Wabanaba win Lebona, or at least Kono or Tagana Lebona go finally.
Yeah.
We never experienced such thing more South Africa. It always happened bo Egypt.
Africans.
Mo Krang Zamaleki Dalali, Al go finally.
Yes.
Rena Azangara create that chance.
Yeah.
So I wish Pirates Leone Ganaya win. At least Rarotagana go finally in Steve.
Man of the match.
I mean, man of the match Gifa Allende. Aye, that boy. Yo. Aye, that boy.
Yeah.
Aye, something else. I don't know. Something else. I don't know how can I explain it. Yeah.
Give Mr. Miyagi.
Yeah.
Mr. Miyagi. Thank you, Mafeti. Thank you, Tema.